I am Ediabali today. Ediabali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abam. He's from Obom in Abam. From there, his family went to Obosi in Anambra State before they came to New Calabar. He's an Igbo man. I am Ediabali. So when somebody says Igbo, no, I am, yes. The name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first work canoe houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Ediabali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also is Briggs. So also is Oswald. Young Briggs, Oswald, Ediabali, my father, Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma, Elebike, Elebuke, Odikadibia, David Wells, Elebuke Wells. These are all Igbos. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. These people are Igbos. They're Igbos. So slave trade brought enormous wealth, and it also brought some sort of destabilization. It destabilized the society because some people brought with them so many things. The population of the Ijaw people in Calabar and in Bonny was overwhelmed by inflow of Igbo and Ibibio influence. But more of Igbo. Why Calabar was able to totally assimilate all others who came in contact with them, Bonny was not able to do so. Okrika was not able to do so. That's why you go to Ganama or Akaliama, these places, they are speaking Igbos. But in Calabar, no Calabar community speaks Igbo. In fact, even people they brought from Igbo yesterday, after today, they find it difficult to speak Igbo. So, like I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history, true, and leave this falsehood. Tell our history. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We should not be ashamed of who we are. It's not because somebody is making claim we are going to deny because a man is making claim. Whether Igbo people make claim or not, that's their bloody business. That will not stop us from saying that this is what we are, who we are. And we stand up to who we are. We keep record of who we are. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. Today, everybody is fabricating. Everybody is doing this. Why the fabrication?
Asari-Dokubo, Belen Atanka, Alpha, you are a convinced bastard Tokumbo. Today you be Igbo, tomorrow you be Hausa, next tomorrow you be Ijaw, another tomorrow you be Aboki. another upper tomorrow, you be S-men. My guy, stay one place. Ogu dey kill you. Stay one place, Tokumbo. Stay one place. They mad. You don't go better for you. Don't they go fire you allegedly. See where your belly la person who swallow GP. Ogu dey kill you. Why your belly big like that? You swallow mountain of fire. You don't go better for you. Allegedly. Thunder fire you allegedly. Even they get mad, audacity. Go they threaten you too. They threaten in Abikanu. Say go they kill them, go do that one, go. Ogu they kill you. And go buy person finish. They come they attack them. IPOB. I beg, who are the unknown gunmen? Because now they don't attack all these unknown gunmen as IPOB. Because any small thing na IPOB. Any small thing na IPOB. Tiger base go buy people finish. They go talk say na IPOB. Imagine this bastard and stupid useless Asari-Dokubo. He go come outside on camera. They threaten people. Say go buy people with gun with kala for hand for camera like this threaten people finish. Then the next day we go hear say some group of people don't buy. They go talk say na IPOB. They no go talk about the Asari-Dokubo wey show us gun on camera just the way they threaten people. They no go hold that one yo. Don't they go fire una? Na just they find way to destroy you. I no go work. When I go hold like Asari-Dokubo responsible for all those unknown gunmen where they shout say na IPOB. They no be IPOB, they be Asari-Dokubo boys. I bet you Yahweh. Who are the unknown gunmen? Who they kill you? Who are they? We shall be IPOB. Which day you don't ever see anybody, any IPOB member come on social media or camera. They threaten people. You know it never happen. All those women that they see, they are not IPOB. We be in Abikanu boys. No, not be them. All those one na government property they be. Na Asari-Dokubo people, boys na they be. When they talk on it, when they call the user, they spoil IPOB name. They say IPOB na they be terrorists. You know go better for you, Asari-Dokubo. Thought I fire you if I hold you. Asari-Dokubo. If I hold you the way I reverse on you, if I go they kill you. Not I go fire you. Stupid man. Stupid people.
Seriously, abin da ake mana a arewa, yan arewa wannan cin mutunci yayi yawa. Kashe mana mutane ake yi. Our youth has been killed in Port Harcourt. Our youth has been killed in Enugu State. Our youth has been killed in Odo State. Just of recent, an kashe mana mutane a Enugu, an kashe mana mutane a Edo. Duk wani wuri a gefen nan a gefen kudancin Nigeria, kashe mana mutane ake yi. They kill our people. We are not living peace in southern part of Nigeria. Why? Are we not Nigerian? So I'm using this opportunity as the president of Northern Nigerian to appeal for the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria to appeal for our security agencies. The recent attack of Aboki must go in Port Harcourt. After a consultation and making research, we realized 4 of our members has been killed. Kusan mutane hudu aka kashe mana matasa a Port Harcourt. So in this note, yanzu muna bin abubuwa ne a hankali, gradually. We are law-abiding citizens. We are watching to see if the government will take note, if the government will arrest and bring those who are killing our youth to justice. If not, wallahi ida murama, we are going to retaliate. Yanzu dai kawai muna bin abubuwa ne kawai a hankali. We are going to retaliate. Kuma lokacin da mu matasan arewa da murama, in da murama fa abin ba zai yi kyau ba. Domin we have Igbos living in Abuja. Majority of the business in northern Nigerians, Igbo are the one doing it, and they are living in peace. Ba ma kashe su. So ya dai akwai Igbo a arewacin Nigeria suna harkan su a Abuja, suna harkan su a Kano, suna harkan su a ko ina a arewacin Nigeria. Ba ma musu komai, amma mu kuma suna kashe mana mutane. What happened in Port Harcourt ma, Igbo has no any business with it. It's between a northerner with his fellow brother northerner, 2 northerners. But at the end of the day, Igbo tried to hijack the whole process and start killing our people. Please, please, our security agencies, please, please, our leaders from the northern Nigerian, ku yi wani abu. Ya kamata ku dinga magana, kashe mana mutane da ake yi fa yana yawa. shiru da muke yi da hakuri da muke yi ba wanda muna tsoro bane ba a'a mu yan arewa muna da hakuri ne kuma san mu da hakuri. In this note ina kiran matasan arewa, matasa ku yi hakuri da wannan abu da ya faru, amma cikin kwanan nan in gwamnati bata dauka mataki ba mu da mu fito a matsayin mu na shugabannin ku mu ga muku mu dauka mataki, kuma mun sani da mu fara. Akwai gurare kamar su Abuja, su Kano da sauransu da mai fara daukar mataki a irin wannan wurare, tunda Igbo ma suna yin business nasu, amma muna ga musu ku yi hakuri matasa. All our youth in northern Nigeria should be patient, allow security agencies to do their job. And I want to use this opportunity to appreciate Dokubo, Asari, and most of the leaders, Ijo leaders and leaders in Port Harcourt that came out openly and disassociate themselves with this terrorist attack by the Igbos. So thank you very much. May Allah bless and each one of you.
On night day, Ikwere people don't go put Igbo people for problem. I remember the clash where Aboki people clash with Port Harcourt boys. Where we say all those Port Harcourt boys, Ikwere boys, they come outside, they protest, say, oh, Aboki must go, Aboki must go. As I follow you, they talk now. Report all they reach us now. Be say the video they circulate for Facebook. Some northern youths, northern Muslim youths for Kanu, Jigawa, and all those axes, they don't plan say they won't go attack Igbo dominated areas, Igbo market for their state and for their community. Now we are using this opportunity to call on the Nigerian DSS to please look into this matter. I beg. Now when they say that they go dirty like this, all those hypocrites, when they all like they shout say, he cannot be Igbo, together with their accomplice, some of the other tribes, the Yorubas and the Northerners, so they support them. Yes, people are not Igbo. Tell them, all of them. They spend 13 hours for TikTok live, for YouTube live, for X live. They defend why they are not Igbos. All of them now, they don't cowardly keep quiet. You don't go hear them talk anything. Now, all of them are Igbo. Wait till now, don't go initiate for River State now. Innocent Igbos, when they do their business for Northern Nigeria, they won't use their career now. Right now, all of the fem. The same thing, when you see anybody where they be a Emeka Chibuzo or whatever name, Ifeanyi, Ifoma, once you hear the Igbo person say, oh, they cash and push powder, na Igbo. Na Igbo, your brain no go ever think. So, Chebi they be the talk, say, no, okay, more ask them, you be Kwere, you be this, or you be back. No. Nobody, are na Igbo. And this is the greatest evil that is being committed against the Igbo people. Now Igbo people go still chest them. They go still go defend the Ikweres, fight before you know, do some meetings, do some MOUs, calm the matter down. They don't go to say those people that don't be Igbo. The mainstream Igbo tribe, they don't go to say Ikwere no be Igbo. They will still come up for their rescue. They will still stand, say yes, we know we are Igbo people doing about beg. They will calm the matter down. After the entire thing calm down, you see their ugly faces. You see come out, they shout, we are not Igbo. Animals. See, this is the highest marginalization. Should I call it marginalization, or the Igbo is just a shout of political marginalization? Look, this is one of the highest evil that can be melted out to a group of people. Leveraging on your identity to commit crime. That is what is currently happening. All of them, on a day X, on a day TikTok, on a day all of their Instagram, they shout and not be Igbo. You will be Korean and you know shoot man for this thing. Shame on you. Shame on you. It is laughable. Say person when name na Chukuka. They talk saying no be Igbo. I don't know if I should call it an advice or a snippet. To those Ikwere youths, one of the protests for River State, Aboki must go. Stop disturbing the ordinary Rivers man where they do business. Now on a chief, on a traditional rulers, on a political leaders, now then give them access to our lands. Those lands where those Fulanis and Abokis they occupy, they don't pay Putu. It go shock you so they don't pay for hundreds of years. When I not go fit pursue them, no be with all these on a mere protest. I never start. I tell them I said the real fight they call. Since I they boast. Oh, we are capable. Our ancestors fought them, no problem. Now the fight is start. I never see anything. I already shout. But to be honest, if you sincerely want to eject them from your land, I mean the Abokis and the Fulanis, your kings, your chiefs, your political rulers, they are all aware. Meet with your youth leaders and the rest of them. But away from this, I know they talk from hatred or whatever. The Igbo tribe is not a saint. They have their own bad side. Do you understand? Every other tribe as well. They use you to divide Sasa. You say they jump around. We are not here. What I go call you Nyamiri? The scale way cover your eye. You go for come every call blow. When you blow, you go shine away. You call photo. And that your eye go neat. You can't remember my word, you titi, you ton. Rubbish.
Okay, great. City boys. City boys. Obi Kubana and Co. The city boys, I'm using this opportunity to tell you must stop immediately. That nonsense you did in Biafra territory, don't do that anymore. Don't. That stupidity you all exhibited in Biafra territory, don't do that no more. The APC, PDP, Nigerian political parties has been declared as a terrorist organization by a federal court in Canada. You cannot bring that terrorism into Biafra land. Don't do that again. If you want to contest any position under the Nigerian state, you must go to either Lagos or the north or the middle belt. In Biafra territory, there will be no single election of the Nigerian state in Biafra territory. Not now, not next year, not next 2 years, because we are a sovereign nation. If you want to join the politics, you must go to your 40-state governor, whoever that is, and align yourself with what they are doing.
When you take on an auto day here, Bicon. On an auto day here, Bico, onye madden onye wany ow, Guagodum wany on an auto here. Macana, you name, I wouldn't hear ye janya name. When you take on an we on what your couple. I get Tiaga Oberoge. Then no 1 year where the 1 year Goje compete with the Soludo na Anambra. Ka 1 year wuru governor Anambra. 1 year what I had anyway, may there be 1 year pass. Or my papa would up 1 day also. Tia Goje no chitre Goje mere Senate. Goje mere ha Senate. Or pass here. Always a bido Loma Solu dog. Oga who no fellow na offer go na governor. Fellow na senator. Always a bidozie. Nana election in Nana Palachitet. Get up with that again. There will be no election in anywhere Biafra. Which Biafra land? In Azo Biafra 1 year. Bo, when you take on angry you, on your Mwaya kedo ye kedo si ni ike. Ele Biafra in Azo. No election in which Biafra land. Biafra election in our support. Ijire John and Apuga. Ka 1 nege wuru governor. John ya ka 1 nege jeme senator. Senate. Maka no pass here. Go on sponsor one political party no Guausa. Ndi beri isani isi amani jiro gujide ha. Isa shahi isi wari isi shahi isi hato tragego iureje na bige ndugu. Na hi na election ina azoro ha party. Ina si no election. Emene bi na defend even ezin nage ina defend the way ezin nage. Kofozie nya endaka nyambia balalande chichi boy titi boy enya declare Canada declare ye tala. Look at the lugodo onoke ke hi megoro be na go the effort of another person iji idigachie anatoro gego eso mu aka no ni mohyo ha nwusi ebe aha kami ge wepụta ego Simon anọ no na detention na Finland enoro ebe ahụ gbachizi ụzọ onye si gị ka eweta ego onye ha hụrụ enemy ishomanya ka egbuo onye si gị ka chọtara ya lawyer ishomanya ka egbuo ị na-asị no election which Biafra land iwu onye Biafra ị na-azọ Biafra ịṅụcha ihe na-aṅụ ị na-akọghiri Ingocha ihe na aṅụ na-akọghiri o ruola oge ga-ebido leruo onwe gị anya nwaanyị ị ga-eleru onwe gị ezigbo anya maka na ihe ị na-ọpụta amaghị ihe too much no election which Biafra land ka ị na-emede ihe a ka ị na-akọta akụkọ ya ị na-azọ Biafra akpọrọ gịnị na-azọ Biafra pụta ị na-achọ ewe ị ga-esi get onwe gị recognize ka ndị Nigeria bido tụma gị ahịa ị na-achọ ewe ka ịhụ ụzọ banye na-eme Nigeria gbaa gị paka dayabato gbapụ gị n'ụzọ eme onye nyere gị ihu ịgbakpụrụzie na-achọ ndụ otu ndị Amerịka ga-esi anabata gị ịmara ka a ga-eme gị recognize ka ibido pụta na political party ebe ị na-eje maka na iwu ha ezigbo rekọdụ ajọ ife ka ewu ndị ga-edisivu gị ga-edisivu ịhụrụ okwu Simon Ekpa ya ga-edeme gị n'isi okwu Simon Ekpa ọ ga-end gị gịwawu nwaanyị because na Simon Ekpa jiri aka ya pụta Nnamdi Kanu jiri aka ya like this pụta ha jiri obi ha niile pụta sacrifice ihe niile ha nwere ka ha wee nweta ihe ha na-achọ gụnwa wụ mmadụ apụta ihe na-eme iji pikchọ ha wee na-aghọgbu ndị mmadụ na-anasịrị ha ego ama m na ya nata ego iwere kpọrọ anwụrụ ndị ọcha iwere kpọrọ anwụrụ ọcha ama m na anwụrụ ọcha ka ị na-akpọ ama m na nke ojii ama m ihe ị na-eme ya ama m na ọ n'ime ka ị na-etinye ka ọ n'ọnụ ama m ebe ị na-etinye itinye che na-akọghịrị ebe ọ na-esi na Simon wu ihe ndere gị ịchọrọ ka ị bụla ya Nigeria ngela ndị otu gị unu abịago n'isi njedebe and unu ga-ahụ ihe ga-eme unu niile unu ga-ebe akwa unu abịago n'isi njedebe unu ndị eriri na-esogharị gị ọha ka mbele mụrụ